build an amusement park. Assemble dumper!
Hi, I am Dumper. I am good at dumping.
Doodles Engineering Fleet! Let's do it! Watch out for obstacles! Use rockets and oil tanks to speed up!
Oops.
We need to build an amusement park here. Doodles Engineering Fleet, can you help us?
No problem. Leave it to me.
Build a Ferris wheel.
I am Excavator. I will dig the foundation.
Dig the foundation. Is done!
I am Mixer Truck. I can make concrete.
Lay concrete on the ground. I am Road Roller. I can flatten the road. I am Crane. I will hoist the Ferris wheel. Fix the stand. Fix the Ferris wheel. Install the Ferris wheel cabins. The giant Ferris wheel is done! Build a roller coaster.
I am Excavator. I can do foundation piling.
Install drills. The foundation is done! I am Crane. I will hoist the roller coaster. Hoist the brackets. Hoist the tracks. Hoist the roller coaster! Yay! The roller coaster is done! Build a pirate ship. I am Crane. I will hoist the pirate ship. Hoist the brackets. Fix the stand. Fix the pirate ship. Install the pirate ship seats. Yay! The pirate ship is done! Build a flying tower rides. I am Crane. I will hoist the flying tower rides. Hoist the seats. Fix the seats. Yay! The flying tower rides are done! What a beautiful amusement park! Thank you, Doodles Engineering Fleet!